very little driving. Basically, senior staff driving. I have a empty license, so I can ride, but it's scary because it's so big. It would be cool to be able to drive with a big steering wheel too. Let's get plenty of hydration. It's a little dirty and I want to clean it up. From a senior's point of view, it sounds like everything is necessary. From a senior's point of view, it sounds like everything is necessary. The cleaner it is, the more pleasant it is to work with. I will continue to post videos of outside work in Japan.